At Jaguar, we're redefining mobility, embracing technology to meet the needs of our drivers. We've partnered with the world's leading technology providers to deliver a powerful next-generation system which goes beyond navigation. Journeys can start from anywhere, so our cloud-based system allows you to search from anywhere. The aim? To create a personal driving experience, intuitively guiding you through your journey, both outside and inside the car. Your favorite places and routes are synced across devices and available through your Jaguar's new driver-friendly interface. This is a new approach to guidance. It anticipates your needs, solves problems, and actively supports you with helpful prompts and rich information. The interaction couldn't be more natural. It's social too, because journeys are about people as much as places. It's not just helpful for one-off trips with waypoints for things such as fuel, ATMs and parking. Even daily commutes can be improved, made easier and more efficient. As you approach the end of your journey, your Jaguar will recommend available parking locations. Before handing over to your smartphone to guide you effortlessly to your destination. Seamless support from the first moment to the very last step. Welcome to Next Generation Guidance. Reimagined by Jaguar and HERE.